Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to talk to you guys about what the industry doesn't want you to know, okay? Because I have been through the same runaround with a lot of vendors, and I did my hard work researching my vendors for my business. So let me give you guys a quick rundown. We are back with another banger. So I saw a post on Instagram about the things that the industry doesn't want you to know about hair and what they sell and things like that. So I remember years ago in the very beginning of me wearing hair extensions and weaves, there was no, at least when I first started, like the beauty supply was the only place like you could really go to. Online wasn't like a real big thing. So the beauty supply was the only place you can go to and get hair. Just pack hair out the beauty supply, and that was it. You was styling, you was looking good. The hair didn't last long, but for that moments that it did last, it was beautiful. But then again, that's like low quality Remy hair. It now in 2021, if you ain't got raw hair, then what you doing, sis? What you doing? Because you ain't doing it. That's all I know. So like the majority of 100% virgin hair, companies on the market, they're selling Remy hair. They don't want to say it's Remy hair because to people who've been buying hair for a long time and years and things like that, Remy hair is a lower quality than 100% virgin hair. And everybody now knows, hopefully virgin hair is lower quality than raw hair. Now, raw hair is the highest quality in 2021 that you could possibly get of hair. It's 100% real. The only thing that they may do to it is wash it and put it on a weft, put it on lace or something like that for you. And that's completely it. So raw hair is honestly the realest hair that you could possibly get on the market right now, 2021. So pure virgin hair is very expensive. Pure raw hair, I should say, is very expensive. And, there's a lot of people that don't want to pay for quality. And, that's going to have to, honestly, it needs to stop. I'd rather my clients pay for quality than quantity. Now, if they want to get hair from wherever it is they want to get hair from, that's cool, that's fine, that's up to you. But they just need to know the real facts about the hair that they are receiving. So if you want luxury and you want longevity and you want quality, get raw hair. There's a few different types of raw hair. There's Indian, there's Cambodian, Burmese. There's a few different types of raw hair, but make sure you do your research and get quality hair for your hair extensions. Sorry, you guys, I have like my little notes over here about what I want to talk about. So like the main source of 100% virgin hair is China. China has so many hair factories that are just, they don't sell raw hair. Now you may find that one Chinese vendor that sells raw hair and they sell the 100% virgin hair that you would see anywhere else. So I'm gonna read this really quick. Chinese vendors can only source authentic Chinese hair. Chinese hair can be amazing quality when sourced correctly. Now, yes, you may find that needle in a haystack Chinese vendor that's gonna give you quality and the best possible Chinese hair that you can find, which is cool. Always try, like if you sell hair, always try to get the hair from the origin of where the hair is. So Indian hair, if it's coming from anywhere else other than India, I ain't trusting it. So like Chinese vendors, they will sell you Brazilian hair, they'll sell you Peruvian hair, they'll sell you Malaysian hair, they'll sell you, what have I heard? Just so many different types. And years ago, I used to think to myself, like, what Brazilians is cutting their hair off like that? And why is it that China has such a high supply? I'm just saying, y'all, like, you got to think a little bit about the things that are going on and what you want your business to be or what you want your hair to look like. So definitely make sure that you are sourcing your hair from the origin of where the hair comes from. That only makes sense, okay? So Brazilian hair, Malaysian hair, Mongolian hair, mink hair, Peruvian hair, any type of hair that has like a grade, so that 8A, 9A, 11A type of hair, any hair like that is probably just regular old virgin hair, Remy hair, whatever. They're giving it whatever name they need to give it to make you purchase it. Because I've purchased so many types of hair that honestly, they all act the same and you really can't tell the difference at all. I'm just keeping it 100% real with you. That's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a little educational moment really quickly, because I get so many people that ask me the question, so many people that don't know the difference, and it took a long time for me to educate myself properly, and I try to educate every person that comes through the door. All of my clients, they never understand, you know, oh man, I really want Indian hair, but everybody sells it and it's so expensive. And it is expensive. We do not get Indian hair for like super cheap. I don't know what you guys think we get it for, but like these Chinese hair vendors, they will sell you a bundle for like $18, and people will sit up there and sell that bundle for $18 for like $100, and we buy it. We just buy it. We are the highest consumers of hair extensions. So I just wanted you guys to be aware, you know, hair awareness, so then you guys know what to look for in your next wig or weave or things like that when you want that real natural, free-flowing, lightweight, high quality hair that you can do absolutely everything and anything with. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and listening to me educate you guys on hair, and I hope you guys stay and watch another video and subscribe to my channel for all the videos to come. So I'll see you guys later on in my next one. Bye.